Kia ora te whānau morehi. We're coming to you from Tamapohere Marae, as you just saw. Tamapohere Marae is in one of the maraes in Tauranga, one of the morihu maraes in Tauranga. And I've got with us today Arahi Hega. Now, I know the mahi that this man does for our maramatanga, for our hahi, but he's just going to explain a little bit to you more about what he does. So, tēnā koe awa, tēnā koe Arahi. And like I'd like you to just share your mahi, what you do with all our morihu out there.
Kia ora koutou i ngā iwi morihu, mihi kia koe, to our people, especially to the children. But my job that I do, and I do it because I believe in this maramatanga, is to bring together the archives for the next generation. And most of the work is retrieving all the lost stuff to do with our tongas, with like books, bringing together all that references of the fetus, the rongo-pais, the Bible, and all those diaries that have been lost for years. And so that's my part of the mahi that I do. But I work with a good team of people, and the name of that group is called Uri Whakatupuranga. And as you all know, there's Kiriyama Pene, a Potoro Rehita Kiriyama Pene. There's also Hariruri a Aparahama. And there's my good lady, Paul White, who navigates us to where we need to go. But like I said before, a lot of the stuff has got to do with the maramatanga and how we deliver this maramatanga in a new digital age. So for our young people, because our young people are not going to sit around for hours and listen, they want everything instantly. So if you design the right network and have everything there for our people, the young people, they can download it, and so it gives them the time where their interaction that they have with the component, maybe a computer, a phone, or whatever, links them, but takes them back to ihoa. So that's a channel. It is a go-between. It's just like our māngai in Piriwiri Tua. He is the mediator between God and man. Well, for young people today, technology is the mediator for them to get to know the Word of God. Kia ora mai tātou.
Kia ora, thank you very much for that, Arahi. E te whānau mori, if you have any questions, post them. We'll make sure that we can answer them for you. Other than that, it's lovely to have you guys on board again. And this is us coming from Tamapohere Marae, Tauranga. Kia ora.